Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying this website design series. So today what I'm going to discuss, I will discuss about a professional website, how to design a professional website. So if you see in my screen, so this website I have designed 6 years back for one of my client. So luckily I got the code and I'm going to discuss about how I have designed this website. So before designing any professional website, we should have the proper editor. Editor means the Notepad++. Okay. So this is the my editor. Okay. So if you will see the code behind this website is around 100 and 160 line code. Okay. So I'm not going to type this code because if I will type all things, so maybe the video will be kind of very large. So what I'm going to do after this after this after this lesson, I will upload all the code on my shared drive. And if you are interested to access that code, so please on the comment section you can type your email address, and the email address should be Gmail address, and I will provide you the link and I will reply back on your comment, then you can download that code. Okay, so simple. Okay, so now let's tag. So first thing is HTML tag you need to define, and this is the metadata. Like suppose if you want to define your responsive website, means if you will open this website on tablet or in your mobile, so it should be responsive. So that's why we have defined this meta tag. And then we have defined the CSS style sheet. So this is all things are defined under the head. Then after the head we have a body. So in the body we have defined the div. Div means it's a kind of your section. So where you need to define, like suppose in one section you want to set the color as a red, in the second section you want to set the color background color as a white or gray. So you need to define your own section. So div is nothing, it's a kind of a container. Okay, so in this container what we have done, in this container we have defined this navigation menu, which is again it's a UL tag. Under the UL tag is again it's defining for the menu, and it's showing the list. So if you will see, we have a home, special, all, product, contact us, about, in media. So if you will compare, so all these things are defined here: home, special, all, product, contact us, about, and media. So this is my logo. So the second, where I have defined the logo, in the second tab, in the second div. So this is my logo image which I defined, and I have given the title. Okay, so in my third tag we have defined this, all this in list, all the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, RSS, all the media button, social media button we have defined. So this is my end of the div. So but if you will see, this div is closed in the last. Okay, so till now we have reviewed how we have defined this, all these things. Then we have defined the submenu. So submenu also defined in the UL tag, and under the UL we have li. So li is also defined the list of under the UI we have, like in the table we have defined the tr and td. So similar way we have defined the UL and the list, we have defined the component of the list. So category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5, category 6. So if you will see, so all this category are here. Okay, then we have defined the last product and the top seller. Okay, so last product we have defined the different div, and in this div we have defined the S3, means the header, last product, and this is also defined under the UL, and under the UL we have li means list. Again we have going to define the, so this is our first post to images, and this images, if you will see, post to images. Let me open the images folder, images. So this is my post to images. Okay, so if you will see, this computer is showing over here, right? So we have defined product 2 means product name and description of this product, our price, I have defined the price, then we have a detail and action. So a tag in the last video we have defined this is using for the linking. So since we are not linking any of the database things or any other page, so I have put the has. Okay, so far so good, I think. So if you will see in the top seller, what we have done, we have defined the post 6 image. Okay, so if you will open your, so this is our post 6 image, right? So this is also linked, and under the footer I have defined the privacy policy and template. Okay, see how simple this website is, and the look and feel wise it looks very professional, looks giving the professional looks. And currently this website is using on the internet, and this client, this client is earning a lot of and getting lots of order from this website only. Okay, so now if we'll compare this website with this, so I will copy the same code. So I will copy li. So like suppose if I want to see another project, Control C, under the UL Control V. So now if I'll save and refresh, then you will get the two products, sorry. So now we have two products. Similar way, I will copy one more time, Control S, and refresh your page. Okay, so now we have a 3, and now what I'm going to do, I will copy all 3, so we'll get the 6 product on it. So same for the top seller. And if you want to change the logo images, so if you will see all images are same. So now like suppose I want to show this images, which is the post 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will under the logo this one I will put post 5, Control S, then refresh my website. See, the images has been changed. Okay, so similar way you can do it. So for the top seller, as of now I can see only one product. So now if you want to add some other product, so the same way, where is my top seller? Here you need to copy, Control C, Control V, one more time, Control V, Control V. So now we have 4 products. If I refresh, so now we have 4 products. So similar way you can design your own website and you can put your own product. So guys, this is the end of the website design series. Okay guys, so I hope you are enjoying to watch this video, and I hope this is a new learning for you. So guys, please try to design this website by your own, because it's not required any additional software and it's a very easy. So okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.